All right, so here's another question. Are there other areas of the body or face, like a beard, that you can also help? And, like, is that a big percentage of your business, or is it like a growing thing, or do even people realize that it's out there?
We can do scalp micropigmentation in any part of the body. For example, the arms. I've had crazy requests in different body parts to do scalp micropigmentation on women.
Interesting.
Yes. So, but for example, for men, now the word is out there that they can do scalp micropigmentation as well on their beards, because beards are trending now.
Right.
So basically, a lot of people who suffer from hair loss, to offset, the hair loss area, they start growing a beard. And then they'll define and, they'll design the beard to create a proper, symmetry between the face. It's like the science of sex appeal. If you have proper facial symmetry, it makes you more attractive to the opposite sex. So there's a science behind it. So normally when we start losing our hair, like our forehead starts looking bigger, right? So then it looks disproportionate. So basically your forehead, it looks like pulled up.
Right.
And then it doesn't look odd. It's just like that's what you're going to be seen as. So they start growing their beard, and then now with that is the trends of growing beards and everything. So the thing is that not a lot of people can grow like a full beard. You have a full beard, but sometimes those little patchy areas with the micropigmentation, we can fill in that area and define the borders very nicely. The only thing is that if you shave your face, that shadow is like a 5 p.m. shadow. It's always going to remain there. It's not going anywhere.
Right. Yes. I remember when I was younger, my beard was less full, and I have a feeling when I get much older, my beard is going to be again less full, and so I only have a good beard for like 20 or 30 years. So I'm taking advantage of it, I guess.
Take advantage of it.
Take advantage of everything you have. So now let's get down to how does everyone find you? Like social media, Facebook. I'm assuming you have all the accounts, right?
Mm-hmm.
Instagram is all _scalps. What's your phone number? So if guys want to call you and ask you about your services.
So our phone number is 305-381-0516.
Conveniently located in Wynwood. By the way, if you like this video, smash the like button. Follow our channel. Follow her at All Scalps. Follow me at Rewind Anti-Aging Miami on Instagram. We also have a Facebook, Google Rewind Miami. And hopefully you'll come back for the show. For another show.
For another show. Let's do it.
Awesome.
Thanks for having me.
You're welcome, and thanks for tuning in. And we'll catch you at the next episode.